Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin spice ice cream. Now this was a most requested ice cream to make, so thank you so much to all the people who requested it. Keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make it.
Before we start making this recipe, look below this video at that subscribe button. If it's red, all you have to do is click on it and it'll turn it gray. Also, if you enjoy what I do here, be sure to hit that like button because I really want to get to 200 likes on this video. Now back to the recipe.
The first thing we're going to do is start off with a medium bowl. In this bowl, I'm going to add about half of a can of this pumpkin puree. So that's roughly 7.5 ounces. Next, I'm going to add one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have some pumpkin pie spice, and I'm going to add some of that to this as well. Roughly about about a half a teaspoon. That's a lot. That's about a teaspoon, but you might only want to do half a teaspoon. This is going to be extra spicy. And then I have 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar I'm going to add to this. Now using a mixer, we just want to mix this up until everything's well combined. And that's it. It should smell really, really good in your house at this point. Now what we gotta do is just move this, set this aside because we gotta work on our other part of the ice cream first, and then we will combine them. Next, in a large bowl, we wanna add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We just want to whisk this on high speed until it forms stiff peaks. And when your heavy whipping cream has formed stiff peaks, now what we're going to do is come back to our original mixture here. And all we're going to do is add this in and we're going to fold it in. And when it's all one nice consistent color, that's it, you're done folding. Now what we gotta do is transfer it into a freezer safe dish. So here's my freezer safe dish. Just gonna dish it out. And as always, put some plastic wrap on here just to help prevent it from getting freezer burn. Push it down all the way into the ice cream part. Put your lid on. Now we want to put it in the freezer for anywhere between 4 and 6 hours. It's best if you leave it overnight. All right, so I pulled out my pumpkin spice ice cream. I let it sit in the freezer overnight so it'll be nice and hard. Let's open this up. Pull off our plastic. Now what I'm going to do is scoop out some of this and put it into a bowl so I can serve it. And there it is, our pumpkin spice ice cream. Now all we got to do is serve it up and eat it. Now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig into this pumpkin spice ice cream. I'm not a big fan of pumpkin flavoring, so let's see how it is. That's actually good. Tastes a lot of the cinnamon, and the pumpkin's not overpowering, but you can taste it. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this pumpkin spice ice cream. It was a lot of fun making it, and thank you to everyone who made that request. It is your request that helps me decide what to make, so thank you so much for that. Also, check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those, and until then, I'll see you next time. I have some pumpkin spice... And we just want to whisk this on high speed until it, and we just want to,